Biomedical Systems Engineering Training Workshop uniquely covers many aspects of biomedical engineering using interdisciplinary training bootcamp. Biomedical Systems Engineering Training builds strong foundations in both engineering and the life sciences and equips our attendees to tackle complex bioengineering problems and design challenges. Topics include, can be customized, bioenergy and food engineering, biological and environmental transport processes, biomedical signal and system analysis, biomedical systems engineering organ systems, biomedical systems engineering 2, cells and tissues, introduction to environmental engineering, clinical systems engineering, elements of biochemistry, structure and metabolism, engineering dynamics, engineering economics, fundamental chemistry, fundamentals of biology and lab, general physics, instrumentation and controls, introduction to biological engineering and agricultural engineering. Call us today at 1-972-665-9786. Learn more about this course audience, objectives, outlines, seminars, pricing, any other information. Visit our website link www.tonex.com.